Finally, we got our first batch in. Only 5 sets, all going to our pre-order customers who have been waiting patiently. And here's the real issue we have seen in the market. Many companies invest a hefty amount into AI infrastructure, full DGX systems, or large on-prem GPU clusters, but end up overbuying and underutilizing them. The setup becomes complex, costly to maintain, and a lot of ongoing resources get wasted because the environment isn't optimized for day-to-day development mode. That's why the DGX Spark stepped in. If you have been curious about what this machine really is and what it can do, this video gives you a proper first look. Today we're diving into the NVIDIA DGX Spark, a compact desktop AI supercomputer built for developers, researchers, or anyone who runs large language models, multi-model workloads, or heavy machine learning tasks. It packs serious performance into a small form factors, letting you work with huge models locally without depending on data center hardware or cloud fees. We cover the design, setup experience, performance numbers, real-world use cases, pricing, and whether this machine actually solves the pain point you face. So stick around if you're considering on-prem AI or building your own local stacks. When you unbox the DGX Spark, the first thing you notice is how small it really is. It comes in a compact, well-protected package with a unit, power supply, and basic documentation. A US Type-B power cord comes standard from the factory, sealed, and for every purchase from us, we include a UK power cord so you can use it with Singapore's plug standard right away. The Spark itself is roughly the size of a mini PC, solid and dense with a premium feel. The layout is clean, simple, and ready to power up, no server-grade assembly or complicated setup needed. The DGX Spark has a modern, compact and minimalistic design that fits on any desk without dominating the setup. The build feels solid, with a premium gold finish and well-engineered with ventilation designed to handle the heat from high-performance hardware. Even though this is a powerful AI system, it is meant to sit beside your monitor like a normal desktop device. At the back of the DGX Spark, you have 4 USB-C ports, a HDMI output, an Ethernet port, and 2 Connex X7 networking ports. This high-speed port supports advanced networking and also lets you to link 2 DGX Spark units together to handle larger models or heavier workloads. To enable this link, you can purchase the NVIDIA QSFP DAC cable separately. With this cable, the 2 Connex S7 ports let both Spark units talk to each other at extremely high speeds, basically allowing them to work as one combined system. In simple terms, you're almost doubling your compute performance when running a distributed AI task. And the storage runs on fast NVMe drive, and the large unified memory pool makes it easy to work with massive datasets and complex AI models without hitting bottlenecks. Setting up the DGX Spark is quite straightforward. Start by plugging in your HDMI cable, then connect the USB-C keyboards and the Ethernet cables. Once these are in place, plug in the power supply to turn the device on. The system will boot up and you simply follow the on-screen instruction and complete the initial setup and installation. This process gets you ready to start using the pre-installed AI software stack and begin running models quickly. Inside the DGX Spark, you get the Blackwell GPU, the Grace CPU, coherent cache, high bandwidth unified memory, and the NVLink C2C connectivity, paired with 128 GB of RAMs. This combination lets the system handle large AI model efficiently. For example, running Llama model locally, fine-tuning custom enterprise LLMs, processing multi-model workloads, or handling heavy vision AI tasks like object detection or video analysis. The architecture is built for speed and scalability, giving you data center level performance in a compact desktop form factors suitable for offices, research lab, and developer setups. The DGX Spark is priced around $5,900. For a desktop AI system with this level of performance, compact form factors, and ready-to-use software stacks, it's very competitive compared to building a full AI workstation or relying on cloud computes. If you are from public sector, ISHA or research institution, we support a wide range of e-invoice platforms. Feel free to reach out to us at sales@society.com and our friendly sales rep will be in assistance. In short, the NVIDIA DGX Spark is a powerful and compact AI development system that brings serious compute capability to desktops. It is ideal for developers or researchers who need to fine-tune or run large models locally without relying on external servers. The small size, strong connectivity, and unified memory architecture makes it a compelling option for AI experimentation and local model development. It is not designed for general consumers, and it's not a gaming machine. It is meant for people who work heavily with AI and need the performance directly at their desk. If your workloads involve large language models, vision pipelines, or machine learning research, the DGX Spark offers impressive performance for its footprint. There's also a certified alternative available. The Asus Ascend GX10, Lenovo PGX, Dell AI Pro Max, and the latest HP ZGX Nano AI Station. You may reach out to us at sales@society.com for recommendation. Hey friends, do you know we have a monthly exclusive newsletter for our community? Just scan the QR code to sign up and join 10,000 and growing like-minded IT and AV professionals. Once you're in, you unlock exclusive tech deals, sponsored demos, free shopping vouchers, and more. All sent straight to your mailbox. Plus, you stay updated with the latest IT and AV trends, best practices, and tips delivered right to your inbox. It's the easiest way to stay connected and never miss out. So don't just sit there staring. Go ahead and scan the QR code. It's totally free. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more deep dive into AI hardware, feel free to like the video, comment below with questions, and subscribe to the channel for future contents. If you're interested in the DGX Sparks, check it out at sourceit.com or email sales@sourceit.com for bulk purchases and demo requests. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.